This is the Merrill C1000 yard hydrant head. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the box here. Out of the way. So the head, of course, is cast iron. And then you've got the two link plates here. And the pivot connector in here with those two hex nuts. The packing nut. Then, of course, the hardware attaching the handle. And then you've got the spout here. If I can get that off. We can go ahead and start and take a couple measurements of the head. We can start with a total length of the head itself. So we'll measure from the bottom of this hex kind of nut here to the top of the hydrant head. So the total length of the head will measure right at 6.5 inches, or 6.25 inches, I'm sorry. And then measuring at a total height of the handle, so measuring from that bend to the end here. And that will measure just above 5 inches. And then we can get a measurement here, outer diameter of those threads on the spout. And that'll measure right at 3/4 inches. And the last measurement we'll take is right here at this hex nut. We'll do an outer and inner diameter, which will be kind of hard, but so an outer diameter measuring right at 2 inches. And then an inner diameter measuring right about 1 inch and 1.25 inches. So once again, this is the Merrill C1000 yard hydrant head.